It's not pesto, is it?
No.
It's not pesto?
It's just a nice.
Well, pesto I think is a seasoning. But you said it's green and it's used.
Show you.
And what's the name of it again?
Manjericão.
Manjericão. All right, so we're about to see what manjericão in America is. Basil, okay. Manjericão is basil. Good to know. And what about that canela?
What?
Canela?
Canela is
Cinnamon.
cinnamon.
Okay. What about this one right here? Erverca doce. ERVA. Erva doce. I think that's a type of milk or cream. Fennel. Oh, okay. I was close. Okay, so if there's any seasonings that's native to Brazil, yes, I want to bring back. I try to find stuff that we don't have in America.
I think you have everything.
Okay, so we have everything, so there's no need to buy seasoning. So yeah, we're about finished here. Like I said, we're gonna go downstairs. We're gonna purchase possibly, if these nuts look pretty good, possibly we may get some of those. Definitely, we're walking out of here with some fruit. It seems like everyone's selling the same type of fruit, so we're gonna go to one vendor and get everything that looks interesting to me. And then we're gonna shuttle back to the house. Right? And I guess do lunch or something, or, well, we got enough at home to do lunch.
Got enough what?
Food.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, so we don't have to purchase anything.
Oh, no.
Yeah, we've been doing a lot of lunch shopping since I've been here. Okay. Yeah, I'm down with fish. Okay. So we're about to go downstairs and find a vendor. This might be interesting too.
Yeah, it's the seasons.
The spices.
Spices and
Seasons, yes. Bom dia. You know what? Some dry meat too.
dry meat.
Dry meat
Uh-huh.
that you could just leave out.
Ah, okay.
Y'all have stuff like that here? It's like jerky.
Yes, I think so.
Yeah, I want to.
But you can fly with your.
Yeah, food. I think.
Yeah, you can drive. You can fly. You
Yeah.
can't.
Now, what's this right here? What they doing with the spinning thing? With the
Big
nuts,
fish.
the spinning. No,
Spinning?
no. See the thing spinning
I don't know what it means.
right there. Right?
The guy?
Yes. I think he's putting nuts in there. Cashew.
Yeah, nuts. Yes.
Yeah. What is he spinning? You know what that is?
Oh, the peel. Chirapelli.
Chilapelli.
Yes, it's peel. Take off the.
Oh, he's taking off the
nuts.
peel. Oh, okay. That's cool.
I think so.
Well, it sounds about right, or either that or no, he's putting something on it.
Yeah.
He's coating
I
it.
think it's sugar.
Yeah, he's coating
É,
it.
ali, ó, ele coloca o amendoim, o caju, alguma coisa com açúcar, mistura. Vem.
That's very interesting. I may have seen that before. But yeah, I think so. What I'm going to do is we're going to get some fruit, may get a little bit of spices, and possibly some nuts. We'll see. Maybe if they have some dry meat that I could take home back with me, something like a jerky, I'll take that with me. All right, we're about to go on the ground level, show you all what we purchased.